Algorooms. So Algorooms with Zerodha tie-up. I have done this a video earlier in which I showed you a delta neutral strategy. Now what we will show you basically a super trend based strategy and indicator based strategy. Okay, so here if you see all the strategies are there, but the trend based strategy you cannot copy it. Okay, so I have to create the strategy. So I'll go ahead and create the strategy. So here is the indicator based strategy. Okay, we'll add the instrument as Nifty Bank. Here we'll go for a we'll try both kind of strategy, shorting, long. Okay, we'll go for 3 minutes. We'll go for the 3 minutes, then we'll go for 9:18 a.m. The instrument should start from 9:18 a.m. The indicator, what we'll do a super trend. Okay, super trend. Wait, first indicator is that way. Here it is the candle. So here it is the closing point of a candle. Put a strategy. Here is the candle, and this is the close. Okay, the comparator is crosses. Okay, so here if you see, long entry is crosses above. Okay, and short entry is crosses below, and indicator is super trend. Now this we will fine tune based on the backtesting results. Now exact conditions we are not putting it. What we are putting it, basically we are putting at current price. Okay, so current price is greater than or equal to, because we will not get an exact price, you know. So current price is greater than or equal to, we'll put it here 150. Okay, and stop loss percentage, we'll put it at point, we'll put at 30 points, and take profit, there is no take profit, so we'll put 0. Okay, risk management, here we'll do max trade cycles is 5, and we will not put an overall loss target because we have already put a 30 point stop loss. Strategy is super trend, bank nifty. Now here these conditions are already there put. Okay, when we go on long, when the market is long, you short a P. When the market is short condition, you sell a CE. You know, when the when on short, okay, when you want to look at long, okay, you sell a PE. When the market is going short, when it is crossing below, you sell a call. Okay, so this is a sell strategy. Now what we'll do, we'll save it. Here the super trend BNF, we go for back testing. We'll do 1 year test. Here you can see that the PNL is 28,000 for one lot of buying, and there are ups and downs with max drawdown of 6,000. So here you can see win days are 51% and loss days are 47%. Your maximum win streak, continuous streak is 5, loss streak is 4. Max profit that you gain from this is 5,000, and the max loss is around 2k. Okay, so average per day is this, you can see, and loss is here from the peak. Drawdown from the peak is 6,400, and profit per day average is 900, and the loss per day average is 700. So here what we can do is fine tune strategy. So here now we have 28,000 and 6,000. Okay, we go for the strategies again. We go for edit. Okay, now what we'll do some risk management. So the loss of 5k is too much. What we'll do a 20 point loss only. Okay, and we'll manage this, and we will do a lock and trail profit. So we were seeing that average profit of around 1,000 was coming. So whatever happens, if the profit around 900 is reached, right, you want to lock the profit at 300. So it should come at 300, and then after increase of every 100 points, basically we can trail profit by around 50 points. Okay, so that is fine. Now let's save this strategy and let's backtest and check. Let's go for 6 months first. 6 months, there was a drawdown initially. So let's go for 1 year completely. So the backtest is a little bit slow. Here you can see we have increased the profit from 28 to 29,000, and the max drawdown has come to 5,800. It was 6,000 earlier. Here unfortunately the loss streak is increased. Okay, there are more number of losing days, so we need to fix this as well. We need to reduce the losing days. The average loss has come down, but the losing days are very fast, so our stop loss is hitting quite often. Let's see if we can fix that. And if we go to strategies again, go to edit, and here let's give it some room of 25 probably. Okay, and let's save it again and see what is the backtesting results for 1 year. If we go, so the loss actually P&L has come down further, so we have to give it more room to actually go around. Our lock profit should come probably after 1500. Okay, if profit reaches 1500, 1000 basically, let's take it 1000. Okay, it should not come down below 500. At least we should take it, and by every 100 point we just trail the profit by 90 points. This is there, and we'll give it some room of around 30 points again. 30 points, let's give it the room, and let's check it again. What is the backtest results? So I am doing all the backtests so that you don't have to do, and I'm helping you out for this backtestings. Now again the profit has come to 28,000. No amount of fine tuning it as much as possible, but it's not working. So what we'll do, we'll probably change the super trend, and we'll see uh, if the super trend period makes an impact. So if we take the period of around multiplier of, let's take the period of 20 and a multiplier of 2. Okay, let's take the super trend of 22 and let's see the backtesting results. So here's the 20 and the multiplier of 2. If we go OK, and what we'll do, we'll just go ahead and save and continue. And now let's take the backtesting and let's see 1 year. So here you can see the profit has gone up to 39,000. I think because number of entries have increased, but at the same time the max drawdown has increased to 13,000, and the loss days are higher. Okay, the average loss is around 831 and the average profit is around 1173. So that is the average profit. We can do, what we can do is probably go here and we can lock profit at 1000. Okay, our lock profit is at 1000 only, and this is good. Okay, so we have increased the profit, and we have to actually fine tune it further. And just see if we take a multiplier of it, if we take a period of 15. Okay, only 15 candles. So period means a number of candles. Okay, 15 candles and a multiplier of 2, and we save it and we backtest it again. Here we see 1 year period. What is the value? Here I could increase the profit further, and it has gone to 46,000, and with the max drawdown has also reduced to 9,000. But here you can see the whole period from almost like 1st April, 21st March, etc., or 1st April, you will not be making any profits. So April, May, and June, 3 months almost no profit. So we need to fine tune this further. So we can't have this. Okay, we should have certain profits, because this will be very bad. So let's just go and edit this, and let's see period, a strong trend. For a stronger trend, what if we take the period of 25 candles? Okay, let's take a period first. Let's try with the period of 10 candles. Let's see how this goes, and a period of 10 candles. Okay, now let's save and check. We go for backtest and we go for 1 year. Ten candles, it is 42, and the market is going down from here. So here we are incurring some losses for 10 candles. Let me adjust this, and let's make it 18 candles. Let's go for higher. Let's see if what happens at 25 candles. If we take it 25 candles, we even continue. We go for back test. We go for 1 year. Here again the profit is coming to 42 and the max dollar 13,000, and two times you had a very bad phase. Okay, so this is not that smooth. 25 candles and a 2 multiplier is not that good. What we'll do, we'll go for a multiplier of 1, and we'll go for 10 candle, a 10 1 multiplier, and let's just check how this works. And a multiplier of 1. Okay, and let's go. Let's backtest. So here again we can see there is a 40,000, and we had a lull period, then the market went again. So and the max drawdown is also in control. So it is only 6,000 max drawdown, and we had some period like here September 1 to like November. So September, October, November, 3 months again there was a period of lull. Okay, there was a downfall period, and max loss is 600 and profit is 800 something. In the streak, lose streak is 5 days. 5 days you can lose continuously. Here you can see. Okay, but PNL on an average is like around 10,000 something. Your max loss is 10,000 around. Total trades are 1,000 trades. Here you can see every day what has happened. So suppose on July 1, what do you do? Basically sell, and here is profit. Now let's just see if reversing the condition, what happens. What if we buy this? Okay, this is 40,000. Now we'll just edit the strategy, and we'll do basically a buy side long. Okay, when we do long, you take C and you go ahead and buy it. When we go short, you take C, you go ahead and buy it. Let's see what happens in buy side. Will this work on the buy side? It's taking some time to load. Okay, you see it's not working on the buy side. It's completely lost. Okay, same graph you saw, it's completely inverse. So buy side is not working. This strategy is only working on the sell side. You know? So Supertrend 10 interval 10 1 multiplier, it will work on the sell side. So when it is long, okay, the market is long, take a PE and sell it. When the market is short, take a CE and sell it. Okay, so that's it for now on this video of options trading and backtesting the strategy. Okay, for last I'll also show you again. So in 1 year you can gain 40,000 profit by one single lot, and we also taken the weekly things where you see selling one lot of bank nifty margin. You check the margins, it is 10% of the country. Bank nifty is around 50,000. Okay, so 150,000 you spend, and for 50,000 you are earning 40,000. Okay, so here that earning is almost 80% profit, hai na? So 40,000 is 80,000 for 1 lakh rupees, and then you are earning profit of 80%. So that's it. A simple buying strategy, extremely low margin, but 80% profit. So that was regarding the algo trading. Okay, from Algorooms. And here I have tied up my Zerodha account. You can tie up any other broker account as well. Here you can see if I have put on ad broker, you can use other kind of broker as well. I have put Zerodha. So that's it. In case you want to know how to add the broker and basic options trading strategy, delta neutral strategy, I have already explained in my previous video, so you can check that. So for now you can see I have done the live trading of my 1025 strategy. You can decide whatever time you want, do the back testing and decide that. So that's it for the algo trading part. Let me show you my profit for the month of June. So here first let's see the chart how the month of June has performed. So here you can see that the closing was around 22,530, and now the closing is around June month is 24,000 almost, so 24,000. So this is like 1,500 point rally, and we'll see the daily chart and how was the rally. Here only we'll see the daily chart. See the rally, see how this happened on the election day. Basically before the election it went up, then it came down, then it again started rallying. Okay, so there is the rally complete. Here you can see from the June 1, June starts from here, the month of 3rd June. Okay, because of this election thing, election drama, exit poll results, the market went up. Then on the actual election day the market came down because of the counting and all, and then the market started rising, and now it's here. But unfortunately I can see there is a huge blocker on this line. I'll show you how this line is coming. So we have to again go to the monthly chart. Okay, we can go to 3 months chart as well. Here you can see this market when it rose post corona. Okay, post corona the first downfall came here. So this was period around, let's do the monthly again. Okay, so this period is around October. Okay, October 2021. After corona rise, October 2021 it started consolidating till almost July 2022. From October to July it was consolidating, and then until the next October also the market did not almost came to same levels. So 1 year from 2021 October to 2022 it was consolidation, and then the market see when it made a new high in December 2022, then it made a low on February 2023, then it made again a high on July 2023, then again a low on November 2023, and then it again started up. So when it was making these zigzag lines, it was respecting this lower value. Okay, this lower value corresponding to this lower value I have plotted the upper value, and this upper value will actually respect this high. Okay, these high of October, the October high and this high, it will respect this value, and that is why as you can see I'm adjusting this line, a parallel line here on this high. Okay, adjust on this high, or I can adjust it on this high as well. Okay, so I have just adjust this, just show you again, zoom it a little bit before adjusting this. Okay, so I can take it or I can adjust it on this high to be aggressive. Okay, so to be aggressive I adjusted on this high because this high is higher. This high, no, I cannot. Closing, basically monthly we do it on closing. Okay, so the market can, where the market can close. So here the lower also I have taken it on closing. Okay, so there the market can close basically on 16,983, and based on this channel actually the June month the market has already breached this point. Okay, it cannot close in the month of June above 24,165. So that's what it shares. But again if it breaks, then market will be in a separate channel, and that channel will be completely different. So we can do another channel over here. I'll show you another channel. So here is the trend line. So this is the another channel which the market can take if it is respecting this low. Okay, and if we do this duplicate cloning, okay, so this is the cloning, the other channel will be passing through the closing point of this month. So this is the December month. Okay, and here you can see according to this high the June month can go up to 25,500 as well. Okay, and then July can go approximately up to 26,000. So according to this channel. But what happens on the July, there is a budget risk. Okay, and because of this budget, and there will be some taxation issues, etc. I don't see after rising on June, even in the budget month it will rise, and I see on the budget month basically it will close below. And if it is breaking this channel, then it will again be coming into this channel only. Okay, it will not go into this channel. So if the market respects this channel for a couple of months, then it will stay in this channel until comes a consolidation phase. And once this channel is broken, okay, this channel, or the market breaks this channel, as you could see in the corona period. Okay, when the market was in this channel, okay, when it broke this channel, it took almost 1 year to come back to the bullish channel. So it will go into a consolidation phase. It will go into consolidation, or it will go into bear market. We can't say, but not really bear market. Bear market was this corona period, and that lasts very short, but it will mostly be consolidation phase again. Okay, So it can go here or it can come out and then it can consolidate. So this is the overall picture for Nifty 50 and the overall market itself. Now let's look at the June month PNL. So here is the June month PNL. The profit that I have incurred is basically 37,800, and my strategy was basically to go ahead with the election flow, and I had a bullish spread. As you could see, I'll just show the PNL live. See the month PNL. I'm showing it live over here. I'll just show the portfolio. Portfolio, I just have Asian Paints and Nifty Base, so portfolio is not that interesting. Let's just go ahead and check the positions. So this is my July month positions. I'll tell you the logic of this position. Here I'll reload. So this is the July month position, and I have taken a bullish view again because the market undercurrent is bullish, but at the same time my lower point is 23,500, and the market has made a very sharp up move from 23,500. If you go to the 15 minutes channel, here you can see the market is actually respecting 23,500 quite strongly. So 23,500 somewhere around here. So from here the market has made a quite a strong up move. So I think this is a very strong support zone, and that is why my lower break even is around 23,500 and my upper break even is 24,600. So because the market is bullish, my strategy requires a lot of adjustment. Last month also I had something kind of this way only, where the lower side there wasn't much loss. Okay, I had a very long zero profit zone over here, and it was bullish, and that's why I got a good profit. So our target was basically to earn around 20,000 per month. Okay, and according to that we should have earned 60,000 per month. So I have actually missed my target profit in the first 2 months, and I could not first month actually not just miss the target profit, but in April we had also had to incur some losses because we couldn't gauge the market completely. So here you can see, I'll go back to April. Okay, so here is the April. So April the market did not move much, but at the same time on a daily level the premiums were also not that much. Okay, and we could not adjust the strategy and it gave us a loss. So here you can see the month of April, the market went up, then it came down, then it went up, then it came down. Okay, so this and the premiums were also not that much great, and that is why we had a very bad loss. That is why this PNL is low, whereas in the month of May we earned only very minimal profit. We tried to recover some of the losses from here, and the June we had performed good, but at the same time it's not enough to cover up the bad performance of the past couple of months. So we'll have to pull up our stocks and try to get better profits in the next coming months, probably 40,000-50,000 profits, and then we can actually come to the expected zone. Okay, now we are at 24,000 shortfall. So next month actually we have to earn around 44,000, 45,000. Let's look at the current strategy and what is the potential. Here you can see the potential is there. Yes, 50,000 potential is there to earn. What will happen in actual reality, that only time will tell. Okay, so this is the June second week strategy. Okay. Then this is only till 11 July because we do not know when the election stuff will happen. I'm sorry, the budget stuff will happen, and during the budget time I think the market will go up and we'll have to do some option buying strategies as well. So only time will tell that. Let the date get announced. When the date get announced, the market will start shooting up the wicks. Okay, and that time we'll have to do with the calendar spreads. Now unfortunately I could not show you daily also because I did not see much viewership. So I thought I'll just explain monthly what is my monthly strategy looks like and what does the PNL go from there. So overall my thought process is the same. So by until 11th of July I try to manage this bullish strategy. Okay, the undercurrent is quite strong, so market will either go up or probably consolidate over here, but I don't see much of a downside potential from here until the budget news comes, and after that I think 11 July, after 11 July only budget news will come, and then we can see how the market travels. So that's it for now. At least just see if we have any budget news, budget date. If we have a budget date, then we can decide something else. Budget date 2024. Do we have a budget date? So somewhere in July it will happen, 23 or 24 July. So yes, so it is in the last week of July. So that time we'll do the option buying and something like that. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.